Hell yeah. All right. Let's go get a dash. And this dash is destroyed. They're all destroyed. What you think about this paint job? Alright, so we checked like, I don't know, I probably checked 10 different S10s and Jimmys and stuff like that, and I think this one's in the best shape. It's a little warped up here, but I'm pretty confident I could just put some glue under here, glue it back to the plastic board underneath. Just get that down. That's really the only issue with this dash. It's a little chipped here, but that's behind the bezel. Can't really see this right here. So yeah, this is the one. We're gonna go and pull this dash out. And lucky for us, it looks like it's been rained. It's all flooded and shit.
It's been rained.
It's been rained on.
It's been rained.
It's fresh though, right?
Dude, you need this too, man.
I know.
Shit. You know what you need? You go get the console too and the fucking seats.
The floor shift and the
fuck. Look at this. You need it all. You need this.
Floor shift S10. I like this though. I might grab this out of it.
Nah, that's sweet right there. You need that.
Yeah. All right. I got.
Want me to do it next to it so we kind of keep an eye on it, or what?
Yeah.
Feel a little paranoid, okay?
Good idea.
If I got everything out. You gonna drop the column out? You're gonna be able to get it out like that?
Can't go up and over. Ah, the adjustment's gone. Cool.
If we're coming out this way, we're gonna make the right there. Change it a little, so put it in this car.
Let me see how hard it is to drop the column. Let me see. Right? It'd be easier.
Yeah, I mean, we're
Okay. What are we gonna have to cut? Cut some wires back here. Some. Oh, there's a lot of shit plugged in.
There's this thing still plugged in.
There's a big harness back here. Hey, these are the same Pioneers I have.
Yeah, they're the cheapest ones out there. $39.99. They cost you $39 install.
What?
Maybe they work in our factory. How do you undo this big massive plug, dude?
You cut it. Here.
There's one more right in the middle.
Just
Right in the very back in the middle.
one more wire harness thing. Think you got it? Ooh.
Yours.
Oh shit. Alright, I'll come to this side and help me. So right now, what I've been doing is stripping on the dash, trying to get it to a bare dash, or as bare as possible, to just make it as cheap as possible, because it ranges from like 50 bucks to 100 bucks depending on what is attached to it. So I'm just taking off all the stuff that I already have or stuff I don't need.
Yeah, this might be different with yours. No? I'm gonna run around for a minute, alright?
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Where's the... Don't lose my shit.
No, I actually have to pull, I have to get the airbag out of there, because they don't actually allow you to buy airbags here. I can see why, you know, probably be a safety concern. They could be liable for something if one doesn't work or something. So, yeah, I need to work on getting this airbag out right here. I think it's just a bunch of 10 millimeters in the back. And back to its mama it goes. Bonus points. Overhead console. I cut the harness out of there. I don't want that. Actually, no, I'm never going to use this, am I?
That's where your boost gauge is gonna be.
Boost gauge. Okay. I'll just unplug that.
You wanna cut the harness off? Cut the pigtail? You want the whole thing? It's gonna be the whole roof harness, dude.
Yeah, fuck that. Okay, so we're done. I picked up, got some extra stuff towards the end. I didn't catch on video, but y'all saw me. I snagged out the dash. It was $45.99. The upper console, overhead console, was $19.99. The oh yeah, for the stuff that I got off camera, I actually got a 5.3 engine harness from like a 2001 Yukon. Complete harness with every plug, every pretty much everything I need, even the computer, still plugged into the computer. Harness $15.99, the computer was $35.99, $5 cord. So for 50 bucks, I got a complete harness and a computer for an LS engine. And on eBay, what do you think, like $300-400 bucks for both?
They're going for, with the computer, you saw they were
70 to 100.
Well, the computer itself was 70, but packaged together is like 200 all the way up to 400 for the truck one.
Yeah, and the 01, the 99 to like 01 is the year to get, because it has the cable throttle body, has the harness is even there for the transmission for the 4060.
We probably could have got the harness all the way into the under the truck, all the way up to the ignition. Could have got it all. You know, they weren't gonna charge us shit for that.
I know. She didn't even look twice at it.
She just said harness, okay.
Yeah.
Probably could have taken all the wire out of the whole truck. And shit, you know?
yeah.
It's the engine harness, big engine.
She has the power to kind of like just
do whatever,
hook it up, you know.
So yeah, we got 2 brackets for the calipers, and both of them were $7. And that
for the pair?
Yeah, for the pair, both of them, $7 bucks. And that yoke was $9.99, which yeah, I guess that's okay. That's good.
What do you think that'd be on eBay? Like,
I don't know. I have no idea, but you know.
It sounds like it's worth it.
And my goddamn monster can was $3. So.
Almost cost Damn. All right, so we made out really good.
I got exactly what I wanted, and I spent shit 23 bucks.
All I went for was a dash, and I came out with the console, engine harness, and computer for an LS swap. Kind of got out of hand a little.
I almost got me a center console too, but it was missing the sunglass piece. I mean, I had the rest of it for the Cherokee. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get rid of this too, but no, that'd be cool. Cool to get.
All right, well, thanks for watching. See you on the next one, and stay greasy.
Oh my God.
Money. That's the money shot.
That's probably bottomed out.
Hell yeah.
Let's do this.